Welcome to my video tutorial about bytecoding. The first step is what is bytecoding? Bytecoding is a new term created by tech people to describe a new way to creating software with AI. Instead of create line by line code, uh, the person who writes the code told with AI agents in a natural language to explain the idea of the application and the app that they want to build. This process is very easy to implement a new idea, and people with no technical knowledge can create applications very easy. By coding consists in three phases. One is define the idea. In this phase, we describe our idea, we describe what features have our application, and we can create this with a natural language. In the second phase, the AI generates the code. The AI writes the code. um we don't now worry about the logical and the technical purpose of this application because the AI can structure and management all these things. And in the third phase, we test and redefine. Uh, in this step, we can run the application, test in the real time, and provide some feedback to our agents. Why is important by coding in this moment? This is important because we can create MVPs very easy. But what is an MVP? MVP is a minimum viable product. In software development, MVP is a simple version of application. This version includes only the essential features, which allows to show the principal idea and test the application with real users in real time. With bytecoding, create an MVP becomes much easier because you can create faster and you can redefine the application and the functionalities in real time. So why bytecoding is a trend? The first one is speed in development. You can turn an idea into a functional MVP in minutes or hours. After that, after the AI, we need to wait for weeks or months to create an MVP. The other thing is you can focus in the value and in the user experience. And finally, it opens the doors for not technical users. Not technical users can create a functional applications, create functional MVPs, and test these applications in real time. Now, let's go to a practical example about Bycoving and Gemini, that is an artificial intelligence for Google. We see the three phases in this little example, and well, we explain a little more. So the first thing is the idea, right? Give the idea to the AI. Now we go to the practical example with AI and by coding. In this case, we are using Gemini, and we want to create a simple game, tic-tac-toe, to run in our Explorer. Keep the base, use the game, and a small UI. So we can talk with Gemini in this example, and I want to ask, I want to make a simple tic-tac-toe game run in my Explorer, keep basic, basic, and logic, and a small interface. So the AI understand the principal concept about that I want to create. They give me the code to test, and I can run in a few seconds. For example, this is so I have this is the interface and the logic. So this looks good, but it's not perfect, right? So we can modify several things about this, like the UI interface, the user interface, and get more design. So let's go with this one. So I go to Gemini, and I want to change the AI. So I going to say this looks good, but I want to change the interface. Can you give me a modern looking with button? So I request a new version of my game with a with modern button stylings and more colors. Let's go and see what is the result. So in this moment, we see that we have a different version with more color, with a modern interface, and we can also play the game. For example, in this case, wins game. And that's it. Thank you.